Hey guys, I was at Costco today. It looks like Thanksgiving is around the corner, and they actually have this thermometer and timer set on sale for 20 bucks. It's a three-piece thermometer and timer set from Taylor, which is really, really cool because that's pretty much everything you need in a kitchen. Assuming you didn't buy this stuff already, each of these things are probably around $10 to $15 a piece retail. So I'll leave a few links below, for each of these individually, but it does come with a digital waterproof thermometer as well as a digital wired probe thermometer, when you're cooking, as well as a 4 event timer with whiteboard, so you can actually write, what you need to wait for and for the timer to go, which is really awesome. Like I said, individually these things are about $8 to $15 a piece, and this is just really cool for just 20 bucks. But again, usually we're just missing one of these items, so it's still worthwhile to just get this thing because it still has the rest of the toolkit, and you need these things in the kitchen. Anyways, please like, subscribe, and all that fun stuff. Like I've said before, these are pretty interesting in terms of individual ones, like this probe thermometer is by 15 bucks. This this 4 event thing is probably around $8 to $9, I'm guessing. And of course, that probe, the digital waterproof thermometer, was probably about 10 bucks. Anyways, please like, subscribe, hit the bell button for more Costco finds, and stay tuned for more Costco finds when I go shopping. See ya. Bye-bye.